Good day mga ka-district, this is Jan again from Jandam District. And for today's video guys, another website or application na naman tayo kung saan ka pwedeng kumita online. Hi, my name is Jan and from Jandam District. At sa video na to guys, mamimigay ako ng 100 pesos GCash sa isang lucky sharer. So make sure to subscribe, like the video, and share the video para kumita ka or magkaroon ka ng 100 pesos. Ilalabas ko yung winner on the next videos. So umpisa na natin! By the way guys, paano mag-sign up dito? Kailangan nyo lang mag-login sa website nila o kaya mismo sa application na available sa Play Store at sa App Store. Ang kinaganda dito guys, ito ay fast earning application, fast payment, madali nyong marireceive ang inyong mga kina-cash out, good payment options or maraming options for you to check out or cash out the money that you earned, easy to use, all surveys are relevant in regard to your profile, so make sure na kumpleto yung profile ninyo. And lastly guys, trustworthy. Napaka-trustworthy ng website or application na to kung saan kayo pwedeng kumita online. You can search it in Google and check the reviews at mamamangha kayo dahil magaganda ang reviews dito. At sa Trustpilot ay nasa 90 to 95% ang trustworthy ng app or website na ito. By the way guys, kung gusto niyo ng pro tips kung paano laging maging eligible sa mga surveys, check niyo yung description ng video na to. Nandun yung link kung paano kayo makakapag-survey lagi or makukomplete lagi yung survey para hindi kayo mali-disqualify. Just to set proper expectation for this website, gaya ng ibang app or website na related to surveys, it may take some time for you to earn. So hindi ka kikita dito guys ng isang beses madalian lang agad-agad ha. Hindi ganun po. Kailangan nyo lang po i-complete yung mga surveys. And based on my experience, again, this is based on my experience, it took me 3 weeks to be able to cash out sa application na to. So, by the way guys, try nyo na and I'm sure may enjoy nyo to kasi laging may available na surveys. Without further ado, ang application or website nga pala ay walang iba kundi ang grabpoints.com. You can search it on the App Store and Play Store. Ang pangalan ng app ay GrabPoints. So by the way guys, thank you very much for watching this video. If you are happy or if you are satisfied, bakit may ganun? Well anyway, I hope that you liked the video and I hope that you learned something today or may nakatulong ako sa inyo kahit paano. If you have free time, please comment down below and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe para maging updated ka sa aking mga latest videos. So, see ya!